After receiving from the CSMS the reservation and availability information of the EVSEs, the station updates the schedules provided by the LEMS. A vehicle arrives on the Wi-Fi zone covered by the station and is connected to it. The station notes that this vehicle has a reservation, checks the availability of at least one EVSE, and then authorizes the connection of the cable. He connects his cable and confirms the connection. Finally, it starts its charge, and at this moment, the station receives information through the vehicle's proxy. A second vehicle arrives and connects to the station via Wi-Fi. The latter notes that there is no reservation for this vehicle. It checks the availability of at least one EVSE and authorizes the connection of the cable. The vehicle selects a free EVSE and waits for authorization to connect to it. It plugs in its cable and asks for a dynamic charge, without specifying the departure time. A third vehicle arrives and connects to the station, then plugs into a free EVSE. Not having a pre-established contract, he specifies his request with a departure time and a target SOC. Then it begins its charging. The station supply voltage reading indicates a voltage below the minimum allowable voltage. The power management function DER therefore imposes a reduction in the charging powers. Then schedule number 2 is activated by the upstream grid operator, which causes a further decrease in the power available for the chargings. The upstream grid operator deactivates Schedule 2. The only limit to the load capacity is that the voltage at the connection point is too low. Vehicle 3 stops its charging, having reached its departure time. The total energy consumed by its charging is registered by the CSMS. It unplugs its cable and leaves the station's Wi-Fi network. The station notes an increase in voltage and therefore an increase in maximum charge power. The vehicle has completed its charge, reached its departure time, and its total local consumption is registered by the CSMS. Finally, the Vehicle 2, having reached its target, stops its charge. The energy consumed is recorded by the CSMS. Thank you for your attention.